Projectors have come a long way, and the Panasonic PT-VMW61 is a prime example of how far. This WXGA laser projector pushes out 6,200 lumens, which is intense enough to fill a bright room without washing out the image. It's designed for spaces where light is unavoidable but clear visuals are still a must, making it perfect for classrooms, offices, and large conference halls. The WXGA resolution may not scream 4K, but it's optimized for clarity at scale. Text, charts, and graphics all stay sharp, even when projected onto massive screens. It's a professional-grade setup that focuses on practical performance over pixel count competition, which is exactly what large venues need. Laser technology is a standout feature here. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, this one offers up to 20,000 hours of reliable brightness without worrying about replacement bulbs. Long-term usage is not only possible but cost-effective. It's built to deliver consistency, so your presentations, lectures, or events always look their best. One of the biggest advantages is installation flexibility. Lens shift and keystone correction allow precise positioning without having to rearrange the room. Zoom adjustments further enhance placement options, giving you control over image size without moving the hardware constantly. Noise levels are impressively low for a projector this bright. Even during long sessions, the fan operates quietly, keeping distractions minimal and allowing the audience to focus entirely on the content. Connectivity is comprehensive. HDMI, VGA, LAN, and USB ports make it compatible with both modern devices and older systems. Whether it's laptops, media players, or network devices, this projector integrates smoothly into almost any setup. For large-scale deployments, network support allows easy monitoring and control of multiple projectors, which is particularly useful for schools, corporate campuses, or multi-room installations. The PT-VMW61 scales effortlessly to meet professional demands. Design is subtle and minimal. Its white housing blends into ceilings and walls without drawing attention, letting the content take center stage. The combination of aesthetics, functionality, and power makes this a reliable tool for anyone looking to elevate visual communication. Overall, the Panasonic PT-VMW61 is more than just a bright projector. It's a versatile, professional-grade device built for consistency, reliability, and scalability. It transforms everyday presentations and events into something visually impactful. For those looking to upgrade their visual setup, this projector provides an excellent balance of performance and ease of use. Check the link in the description to see the Panasonic PT-VMW61 and elevate your projection game today. Whether it's a meeting, classroom, or conference, this projector ensures every detail is delivered with clarity and precision.